Okay, so with this little video, I'm just going to show you how you can use your Align palette to make your designs much more precise. So the Align palette you can find by clicking on Window and checking on the Align palette here, making sure there's a tick there, and then it'll be on your desktop, well, on your Illustrator screen, I should say. So first I'll show you how to align a series of shapes like this vertically, and you can just use one of these three buttons here. This one aligns them to the left, this one to the center, and this one to the right. But when you have shapes like this that are all the same size, you won't see much difference, either one of the ones that you click there. So here we have them aligned perfectly vertically, but of course the spaces between them are still a little messy. So just click on all of them and just click on one of them to highlight one of the objects that need to be aligned, and you can use the distribute spacing function here. So we want to align them vertically together, and then you can use these arrow buttons to decide how many pixels you want between the objects there. So here I have 9 pixels, and you can change that, make it more or less as you like. Whoops. Just by clicking on the buttons there. Okay, so that's vertically. Now to distribute your objects evenly horizontally, then you start by aligning them horizontally with one of these three buttons, and then using the vertical distribute spacing button. And once again, you can just use the buttons to go higher or lower in terms of the number of distribution pixels you want there. And of course you can have a negative number, in which case your objects will overlap. Now you might also want to align your objects diagonally, and in order to do that neatly, you just need to use this row here. So one button on either side of this row is fine. When you have objects that are the same size and shape, then it doesn't really matter which one you use. You just click one of each, and there you have a perfectly aligned and spaced a diagonal line there of shapes. Okay, I hope that was helpful.